Welcome back everyone to my channel. Now today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this wrap hairstyle. Now if you want to know how I achieved these little swirly flowery things, then keep on watching. Okay, so because the weather, as I've said before in another video, the weather's been so hot over here at the moment, I've not worn my locks down for about a week. I'm going to show you a picture of the other wrap styles, what I've done. It's coming up now. So I'm going to show you how I did this style. So if you bear with me 1 second. So guys, I've got my hair up in a bun and it's quite easy to do. I'm going to take my hair down. I wasn't going to take it down, but for the sake of this video I need to. And I washed this hair about, what was it? About 3 days ago. And I gave it a good steaming. Very good steaming. So I'm taking it down because I want to moisturize it. My little friends come to show its appearance. So once I've moisturized it, we're going to put it up in a bun. So basically, like this. Gather all your hair, put a hair tie. Now, what I do, split it in half like that. I'll either do it in twists, but I think this time I'm going to do it in 2 big braids. Cut it as far down the end as possible. Tuck in any stray pieces. If you have to put the elastic band on the end, put it in there. I'm not going to bother this time. Then just position it how you want. I like it quite high, so I'll just tuck it in there and tuck the rest in underneath. So it's up like that. Tuck in any loose hairs, and I like to spread it a bit, like so. Don't worry about if it's not perfect, because you're going to your wrap. Just use my brush just to brush up these edges, brush up the back, even though you're not going to see the back. Then you get your scarf. I'm going to show you how I put the scarf on. Now, this by any means is not an original, it's not my original scarf idea. This video, because so many people was asking me how I achieved this style, I got the idea from Smiley with the Locs. I think it's Smiley with the Locs. So if you want to check out her video, by all means do so. And the tie scarf, you could do this style where you do use one scarf. So you twist the end like this, and you make it into like a flower. And then just tuck the rest in. And you get the other one. Same thing, twist it. And then as you see how it bends naturally, and you just kind of guide it along and roll it. And it's like that, like a flower. 2 flowers. What I'm going to do, because I'm a bit extra like that, I'm going to use 2 scarves like that. Make sure it's level. You tie that like that. So you've got 4 pieces. You can do what you like with these 4 pieces. You could wrap it at the back if you wanted to, but you can completely cover it if you want. So you've just got 1 piece. Or you do the same thing. So make sure it's secure first, and then you twist. You twist it. Until it bends like that. So when it bends, I just hold it and then hold it, twist, hold it, twist, and then you just push the excess in. That's 1 flower, okay? You get your next one. Same thing. And then you get the other one. So there you have it. You play around with it to your liking, you fix the hair to your liking. Show you the back. And your hair, you can just plait it, you can twist it, or you can cover it. You don't have to have the hair showing. And these, you can just put them wherever you want, really. It's entirely up to you. It's entirely up to you. Or, take these out. I'm going to show you with 2 other colours. You can have whatever colour you like. You don't have to stick with the same colour. So I'm going to use these 2 colours, pink and blue, because I'm wearing pink and blue top. So I'll put the blue one on first. And then wrap it like that. Tie, like so. Pink one, same thing. You do it diagonally across, like so. So you've got 4 long parts. Back you've got 2-tone. Back there. Put them out the way. And just twist, just play around with it, you know? Have fun with it. Have fun, be creative. Twist it, the flower. It's entirely up to you how big your flowers will be or how small they will be. Do it like that. Tuck. You get your next piece. I think I need to do it a bit tighter, that's it. Otherwise it's a bit loose. Twist, twist, twist. All the way to the end. That sun's coming back. Sorry guys, the lighting is... So it falls naturally. So when it falls naturally, you quickly wrap it around. It doesn't lose its shape. And then push it in. Push it right in. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And earrings gone again. Put that in a minute. And you know, next side, the blue one. Twist it. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Quick, we swirl it. It's like a cinnamon roll. Quickly push it in quick before you lose the shape, because these bits kind of hold it, and you quickly push them in, shove them in. See these little stringy bits, I don't like them. Just push them in. Tuck, 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 come on. In you go. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. And then you got your last one. Look at that. You know, just use your creative flair. If you want to be extra, even extra, you can even sling another scarf on. I'm not going to do it today, but you know, it's up to you. It's how you feel confident going out. And there you have it. Some people might think it looks crazy, but I think it looks quite creative myself. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know what you think. And there you have it. There you have it. And to the back. And you're done. Now, you know this earring, I don't know if you guys remember this earring. Do you remember this? One of my favorite earrings. Now that would be like so cool. But guess what happened, guys? I'll tell you what happened. It broke. My earring broke. If anyone has any suggestions of how I can fix this, then do drop them in the comments box. I know you're going to probably say glue or something like that, but I don't know. It's snapped, it's wooden, you see. But I thought it would look so nice with the outfit. But anyway, there you have it, guys. The wrap styles, what you can try at home. And as I said, somebody asked me if it's hot wearing this wrap style, and it's not hot at all. It's lovely because it takes my hair off my neck, because as I said, it's been so hot over here. And yeah, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to this channel if you would like to get some more creative wrap ideas or locks or fitness. I've got a fitness section now called Maz Fitness. Subscribe to this channel, there's lots of things coming. And doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to be part of this particular giveaway, then you need to subscribe. Got to be in it to win it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. So stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.